Buying a certificate of deposit on Merrill involves a series of steps. Log in. Access your Merrill account via their website or mobile app. Navigate to CDs. On the main dashboard, locate the Trade tab and select CDs from the menu. This will direct you to the CD trading platform. Research available CDs. Review the list of available CDs by maturity date, interest rate, and issuer. You can filter by these criteria to find options that match your investment goals. Select the CD. Click on a CD that interests you to view detailed information such as interest rate, term, and minimum deposit requirements. Choose investment amount. Enter the amount you wish to invest in the selected CD. Ensure it meets the minimum deposit requirement. Review terms. Carefully read the terms and conditions associated with the CD, including early withdrawal penalties and interest payment schedules. Place order. Confirm the details of your purchase, including the interest rate, term, and amount. Click Submit to place your order. Confirm and monitor. Review your order information. Monitor your CD's performance through the account section, where you can track its maturity date and interest accrual.